Test mic 1 2 1 2. Thank you. Good morning. Kumusta na kayo lahat dyan? It's 5th of July. So, pang 1 month ko yesterday sa low carb challenge na ginawa ko sa sarili ko. So, ang good news is 3 kilogram ang na-lose ko in 1 month. So, very good yan. And ipapakita ko din sa inyo yung waistline ko. So, last June 4, it was 38. And ngayon, titingnan natin kung ano yung waistline ko. Super hirap, guys. Of course, minsan nag-cheat talaga ako. Hindi talaga maiwasan. So, busog ako. Supposed to be, I'm going to do it early in the morning. So, medyo ang dami kong nakain ngayon. Ito yung pusod ko. So, ngayon, sa nakikita nyo, 35. So, from 38, nag-drop ako ng 35 in just 1 month. So, tuloy-tuloy na ito, hopefully. And minsan kasi, delay yung process. Delay yung kilogram na mag-reduce ka. Kasi, syempre, yung body nyo, nag-ano pa. Tapos, yung waistline ng din. So far, magandang, magandang result ito. Okay. Pag siguro, if it happened na hindi talaga ako nag-cheat, though hindi ako kumain ng rice, pero last 2 party kasi, kumain ako ng spaghetti, kumain ako ng bechamel, nakakain ako ng few pieces of, few tablespoon lang naman, isang kagat lang naman ng cake. So, yun yung cheat ko. Pero, everyday, tinatry ko talaga na kumakain ng masustansya and low carb. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo, ito yung breakfast ko. Normally, nag-i-egg lang ako. Tapos, lettuce and cucumber. And then, of course, yung special sauce na ginawa ni Doctor na in-explain ko last time sa vlog ko din. Which is low cholesterol, good for the heart, and special sauce yun. So, with the secret recipe. Tingnan nyo sa description below yung yung sauce na to. I believe you can also try it at home, and then with the Greek yogurt, with Japanese mayo, and that's it, with celery, I think, kasi nga secret recipe, so hindi ko alam. Anyway, most of the time yung intermittent fasting talaga sa akin is very malaki talaga yung malaking tulong. Okay, sorry, medyo loading ako ngayon at nagmamadali akong pumunta sa office. So, malaking tulong talaga yung intermittent fasting. So, for this month, nakadalawang 20 hours fasting ako, and then 4 hours lang na eating period. But the rest, 16 hours to 18 hours intermittent fasting ang ginagawa ko. Almost every day. So, for 1 month, for 30 days, siguro 5 times lang na hindi ako nag-intermittent fasting. Kasi, first of all, natutulog ako ng mga 1 o'clock in the morning, and then gumigising ako ng 10 o'clock the next day, tapos nag-prepare, pumupunta sa garden ko. So, normally, nagluluto na ako 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, ganyan. So, okay lang siya. Kasi during intermittent fasting, as I explained earlier, you can drink coffee, black coffee with stevia, or kung kaya nyo ng black coffee lang. And then, you can drink also water. So, yun ang nakakaganda doon. So, thank you guys. Thank you so much sa especially to my friends, no? Though tinitempt nila ako parati, kain tomorrow ulit, mag-low carb ka ulit. Pero thank you pa din for inspiring me, especially to my friendly doctor na very inaano niya talaga ako na wala ka ng pag-asa dahil parati kang nag-cheat, okay? But I know that he's really there to guide me kung ilang calories tong kinakain ko. Pag nasa grocery ako, Doc, pwede ba ito? He's really there all the time to assist me and to guide me on this low carb journey. So, of course, promise ko sa sarili ko and promise ko din, of course, sa doctor ko na itutuloy ko itutuloy ko yung diet protocol, yung mga guidelines na binibigay niya sa akin kasi syempre in 1 month ang hirap talaga, pero as time, you know, as days goes by, medyo naaano ka na, yung body mo is used to it na. So hindi ka na naghahanap ng rice like me, hindi na talaga ako natitempt kahit may kumakain ng biryani, tumitingin lang ako, so hindi talaga ako kumakain. So tomorrow or this July, itatry ko din talaga na hindi na matempt ng pasta kahit sa party. So kung may party man, kainin ko lang yung foods na pwede kong kainin, but i-skip ko talaga yung mga spaghetti, mga bechamel. So let's continue, guys. So sa mga gustong mag-diet dyan, you can start your low carb diet. You can ask questions sa description box below. You can comment in there, sa comment box below. I can always reply to you. I can always ask my doctor na yung low carb, yung doctor na tumutulong sa akin dito. I can always ask him questions and then I can always reply back to you kung ano yung dapat gawin. So this is it. So 3 kilogram in 1 month. And then 3 inches waistline ang nawala sa akin in just 1 month. So next month, abangan nyo another 3 kilogram or hopefully another 5 kilogram hanggang ma-reach ko na yung desired na weight ko. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung desired weight ko dahil ang sobrang taba ko pa din, okay? I'm 71 kilogram right now. I started last June 4 at 74 kilogram. So for me, ang laking achievement sa akin, okay? Hindi talaga siya madali. It's mahirap, pero dahil nga nagpursigi ako na I really have to lose weight, I really have to maintain na my diet. So, kailangan gawin ko ito. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. And for those who didn't subscribe yet on my channel, please like and subscribe, love Diday, and share it to your friends also. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you all. Bye. Have a nice day.